In this video, I'll show you how to sell websites built with Lovable step by step in 2026. First, go to Lovable and log in to your account. After logging in, open the website project you want to sell. Before selling, make sure the website is complete and fully functional. Confirm that all pages are working correctly. Check that the database is connected and working properly. Test the website features such as forms, login, or integrations. Make sure the website is already published and hosted. Now you can start looking for potential client. One option is to create content showing the website you built. You can record videos demonstrating how the website works. Post these videos on social media to promote your work. Another option is to search for businesses or people who need a website. Contact them and present the project you created. You can also advertise in marketplaces or online groups. If you prefer, you can find clients in your local area. After finding a client, you can transfer the website or host it for them